What is going on, guys? I'm making this video to update you guys on the process of the car. I'm wearing glasses because, well, it's been snowing, and I try to take them off and to do it better, but it's too bright, and the windows in this SUV aren't tinted. So yeah, sadly, we're not getting the car back. The insurance guy from the other company called me and said that it's like a little over 70% of the car's value in repairs. And when it's situations like that, they go ahead and total the car. So it was news that I wasn't expecting to get, since I had grown with the car. This channel actually grew because of the car. Yeah, sadly the Lexus is not coming back to the channel. It sucks because like I said, that day that it was hit, I did have the carbon fiber mirror caps that I was going to install on it. I sent those back. Obviously, I had a feeling it wasn't gonna come back, but the process was taking long for them to tell me what was going on. So I decided to just send them back, get the money back, and buy them later if the car was to come back. But it's not. So I just wanted to send those things back in order to avoid that hustle of they're like, hey, it's been too long since you ordered them, we can't take them back. So I just went ahead and sent them back. But yeah, it sucks. I had other things to do to the car in this time that won't be possible anymore. Yeah, tomorrow or so I will be going to pick up, get everything from the car, everything that I can take. It's at the shop still. This was the car was hit, I believe, the 26th of January, and it's currently the 19th, about a month ago. It's been a long process. So yeah, I'm not sure what vehicle I will be getting next. Currently not thinking about it at the moment. Like I said, I was not expecting them to say it's totaled. I was expecting them to say we'll get it fixed. It'll take some time, but we'll get it fixed. But yeah, no, it's not going to happen anymore. So yeah, I'm probably going tomorrow to get the things from the car, do the last vlog with the car, and yeah, I know some of you wanted the car to come back, and I did too, but there's not much I can do. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting the channel because of the car. I've over the year, I got comments, people asking me things about the car, and made me feel good, to receive stuff like that. But yeah, it had to come to an end with it. So yep, peace, guys.